Hello, everyone. I want to present the experiment argument to data mapping and charting in Tableau. In this experiment, I learned how to represent complex data sets using visualizations, especially using a waterfall chart, which helps in understanding how different factors affect the final value. The aim of this experiment is to represent complex data set using Tableau visualization to identify patterns, trends, and insights for better decision making. In this experiment, the main focus is on the waterfall chart. The waterfall chart is used to show a cumulative effect of positive and negative values over time or categories. It helps us understand how an initial value changes step by step to reach a final value. A key concept, cumulative effect. It shows how each value adds or subtracts from the total. Gantt chart. The charts uses Gantt bar to visualize, represent the increase or decrease between values. Running total. The running total calculation is used to track the continuous addition or subtraction of the value. Size representation. The measure which such as profit it is placed on the size cells to control the length of each bar. Insight. It clearly shows how factor revenue and cost contribute to the final result. This type of chart is very useful in financial analysis and business reporting. Procedure. First, I loaded the financial dataset containing values like revenue, cost, and profit. Then I tried the dimensions such as month or category into the column section. Uh, um, Next, I dragged a measure like profit into rows section. I changed the mark type to Gantt chart. After that, I applied a running total calculation on the profit field. Then I dragged the profit again the size self to adjust the bar length. I also applied color coding to differentiate between positive and negative values. Finally, I customize tables and told tips to improve reliability and understanding. Result. I customize the result of this experiment is a waterfall chart that clearly shows how individual gains and losses contribute to the final total. It provides a step-by-step visualization of how each factors impact the overall result. Conclusion. This experiment helps me understand how to use waterfall chart in Tableau to visualize cumulative data. It is very helpful for analyzing financial data and understanding the impact of different components on the final outcome. Thank you.